What's going on, y'all, man? We're right here at Affordable Sounds here in Austin, Texas, during South by Southwest 2014. We're just here, this is one of our sponsors. We appreciate Mike and the guys over at Affordable Sounds. Y'all make sure if y'all need any CD duplication, posters, flyers, business, go check it out. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out. AffordableSound.com.
See if it was the right one.
Here it is right here, baby. Austin, Texas, 2014, South by Southwest. We're doing big things, little places. Let's go.
Let's get it. Yeah. 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 Better believe it, nigga. I get it, whip it, sip it, yeah. I get it, whip it, sip it, yeah. I get it, whip it, sip it, yeah. I get it, whip it, sip it. I'm dropping those O's like I'm flying frisbee. You better believe it, not leave it till I receive it. Better stack, lose a stack.
Sounds. Y'all get y'all some.